In this video, let's talk about how you can double apps on your Android phone. Let's get into it. So for that, as you can see in my menu, I have two versions of Snapchat. And in order to achieve that, I need to open up the Settings app. And on the main section, just scroll down until I find what's called Advanced Features. And in there, I have to just open up the menu, which shows me multiple new things. But if I scroll down a bit more, I can see the Dual Messenger. And this is a section which allows you to sign in to a second account of your favorite social media apps. So when you get in there, you can see which apps are supported for this. So in my case, Snapchat is already turned on, but it also works for WhatsApp, Facebook, and the Messenger. So essentially, if I want to double any of those apps, I have to toggle it on, right? So I could toggle on the WhatsApp and have a second WhatsApp application. So, this is how we can officially do it. And as you can see, the double app has like this little icon in the corner to indicate that it's a duplicate, but also you can see that it is like one Snapchat app is signed in with an account, the other one is empty. So yeah, the whole purpose is to have like separate accounts within one app. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.